When we went to NYSE, we couldn't even finish our surveillances in a 24-hour window, so we were actually always trying to play catch-up. And we had a lot of changes happening at that time. We were, NYSE's concept is a fast and slow market, which means that there's constant changes in the rules, trading, and the types of activities that you need to monitor. So not only was our complexity, in terms of the business, driving a lot of complexity, and the volume was also driving complexity. When we started utilizing NYSE, we were able to run these analytics in, I wouldn't say in seconds, obviously, but we were doing it in minutes, and in worst cases, 2 hours to finish an entire job that never finished in 24 hours. And that was with very little tuning. The only thing you really need to know when you're utilizing an appliance like a NYSE is right size. Make sure you get the right size for the footprint of data that you need to put on there, and distribution. Make sure that when you create your tables and you understand how your data needs to be distributed, that there's no skew. If you have those fundamental basic concepts down, you're going to get out of the box good performance. One of the key objectives for us was to reduce the administration cost and sort of reduce the footprint in terms of optimization, performance optimization, which DBA time is spent probably 50% of the time on trying to optimize the query time and ingestion time. I would say, built an environment and went live probably within 2 months on the NYSE platform, which is unheard of if you think about the amount of volume that we process each day. And the other thing that I want to highlight is a lot of folks are talking about the complexity in the application tier. We're big promoters and proponents of proper data architecture and normalized data structures, because when you do that, you actually have a more flexible and agile environment. A lot of times you can't do that in traditional systems. A lot of our success is because we were able to do that on top of NYSE, and that means when business changes, we can change our underlying schemas from a normalized architecture as opposed to constantly rebuilding tables. Right. So those were all parts of, I think, why we're able to sort of leverage and adopt MPP, and we're continuing to make advancements in that space.